Hey everyone, Farhad here from BI. In today's demo, I really want to hone in on how we're thinking about business intelligence differently at BI, right? We want to be radically different and change the status quo of how companies action their data, find intelligence in their information, and make decisions more promptly and effectively. So unlike the traditional models where you're taking a top-down approach to analytics, right? Where you're creating materialized views and you're creating dashboards using Power BI, Tableau, Looker for analytical reporting, and you require skill sets. It's a very top-down approach, right? Here, it's more exploratory, bottoms up. You have a question on top of your mind in the moment. You can simply prompt BI with that question. And we just went ahead and kicked one off here, where we're just asking a simple question around top 5 countries and their loan amount and provide some attribute information around that. And as you can see, BI is processing this request. It's leveraging a number of skills in our library. We have SQL as a skill, dashboarding as a skill, Python, data explainability, anomaly detection. And as you can see, the process has completed and we have a nice dashboard for us to review, right? And within, a little time, a minute or less, you're able to get highly accurate reporting and analytics around any question on top of your mind of your data, right? BI is able to scan disconnected systems, make sense of that information, query across systems. So the idea is that it's very simple for stakeholders, business users, non-technical users to get insights from data and make decisions more effectively. So this is a nice report that BI was able to generate on the fly. Say you want to create some updates to this, right? BI may have gotten 80% of the way there. The rest of the 20%, you want to add your own human polish to that, right? We have the concept of the data studio where we allow our users to fully adjust the content of any dashboards our AI models create, right? So for example, right, if you like this data explainability summary, but you're not really interested in it for reporting purposes, you can hide that, right? You don't have to delete the content, although you have that flexibility, but maybe you want to use it for later. And for these cards, for example, like I like total loan count and total funded amount. Maybe total loan amount isn't really as relevant here. So you can go ahead and just edit that and remove it. And say, line chart maybe have not been the best way to represent this information. Let's go ahead and update that to be a bar, right? So I want country, I want to know the total loan counts, I want to know the average of those, and let's sort ascending, that's fine. And there you go. BI is able to adjust things on the fly and say, maybe you want to make this side by side, right? And leave room for a new dashboard at the bottom layer where we're creating a correlation heat map of how certain variables are related. That looks a little squished, so maybe we move this down to its own row. And now we're done, right? And this is ready for our stakeholders to consume. So you can just hop out of the data studio and voila, right? You have your full dashboard, and within minutes, without any technical skills required, our users are able to create highly accurate reporting and analytics off this information. And it doesn't stop there, right? We have abilities where we show z-score information and other anomaly detection type functions so that you can identify trends or areas of opportunity within the data itself, right? BI is there, always there to help you. So if this interests you at all and you want to learn more about BI, feel free to reach out anytime and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.